Good morning everyone.
And welcome to day 11.
In today's video we're going to be showing you
how we make our transitions.
So let's go home and get into it. And welcome to our home. So I'm currently sitting here in the kitchen and we'll go through exactly how we made those transitions. So we've had quite a few people as of late ask us how we do the transitions, and to be honest with you, most of the transitions are done in camera. There are no plugins that are used. There's only one in here that it is edited in, and you might have picked which one that was. It was the mask as Josie's hand goes across the screen. That's the only one that I'll have to show you exactly how we did that, but all the other ones were done in camera with quick whips and turns and ups and downs. So here are the behind the scenes shots from those clips now. Good morning everyone.
And welcome to day 11.
In today's video we're going to be showing you
how we make our transitions.
So let's go home and get into it. And I'll show you exactly how we did that mask too. Now I use Final Cut Pro, so we've got this up on the screen now, and we'll show you exactly what we did to get that mask going. So what I might do is just grab the two clips that we made the mask with, which are these two here. I'll go in, I'll quickly start a new project. We'll just call it tutorial. Now, as I said, I'm using Final Cut Pro. You don't need to use that, but this is what I find to be absolutely amazing. There are other good softwares out there though too that you can have a look at. Now, with this here, you'll see that I've already got the mask on there because I copied pasted it from the other clip. So I'll get rid of that draw mask. We'll go into here, we'll go to masks, we'll go to draw mask, and we'll drop that on the top clip. So basically what we're gonna do here is cut a hole in the clip which will play the clip behind it, which is this one here. So we're going to put a hole in this so that this one then appears. So as her hand is about to come onto the screen, we will go onto here, click on transforms, and you want to click the position, the rotation, and the scale and control points. I just click all of them, it's easier. And then close that. And it's good to make it a little bit smaller than the screen so that you can play with the off area. Now you'll see what I mean in a second. So we'll click there, that's where the mask is going to go. And then just make a bunch of control points so that you can make it as nice and smooth as possible. There we are, and once that clicks off, you'll see the screen behind it. Now to fix that, you just click invert mask and that'll bring it back. And then you can see down here in the little corner bit there, that is the clip behind. So as it goes through, this is a bit of a time-consuming process. You got to drag the mask over to make sure that it takes up the entire screen. Now that's the most important part of doing a mask, is that it must cover the entire frame of the screen. If it doesn't, it won't make sense. So what we'll do, I'll quickly just run through it now and I'll fix all this up, and I'm going to do it frame by frame. So that's what I mean. It is quite a process to get it done, but I think that it is a fantastic tool to use, and I think it makes a big difference in your clips. Okay, so after that is done, you can see here now that that is the mask going across. It's not the smoothest, but it's going to be quick when it plays through. So it's going to look like this. So let's go home. And then you can also just go back. You can also play with the fall off and the feather as well to make it a little bit smoother, not such harsh edges. So you just play around with that and see how it looks for you. But yeah, quickly played back.
How we make our transitions.
So let's go home and get into it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. We're going to end it there, but if you enjoyed it and if you'd like to see more kind of videos like this, behind the scenes stuff, then please do let us know in the comments down below. It's not something that we plan on doing, But if it's something that you guys would like to see, then we'd really like to know that. Now, we do have some really exciting news to come up in the next few days, so stay tuned. We will be letting you all know very soon. But for now, if you liked the video, remember to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll see you all again tomorrow.